Hi everyone, I'm Shawn, and this is a history box. As a volunteer in aged care for several years now, I get to hear amazing stories all the time. One of my close friends started writing her memoir around her 100th birthday, and even though she was an extremely skilled typist, problems with eyesight and hearing made the experience problematic. And if anything changed on the computer, a pop-up or anything, she wouldn't be able to see what it meant and would have to wait for either her daughter or myself to visit again before she could start typing stories. I constantly felt at a loss for how many stories we were missing out on because of issues like this stopping her from getting down her history, and I thought there must be a better way to do this. With HistoryBox, the storyteller just has to lift the box lid and talk normally. The HistoryBox takes care of recording the story, uploading it, and converting it to a text version which is easy to share, while maintaining the recorded version so that family and friends can go back and listen to it in the speaker's own voice at any time. You can add friends or family to your HistoryBox account and they'll be notified anytime there's a new story ready for them. For parents looking to save stories about special moments as their baby grows up, HistoryBox makes it possible to save a baby journal, hands-free. As the father of a 2-year-old, when he was born, I bought a journal with the intention of writing down all the firsts and special moments throughout his days, and quickly discovered that as a new parent I have a lot fewer free hands than I thought I would. With HistoryBox I could have just opened the lid and started talking during a feed. For expats like myself, it gives an easy way to share updates about your life and what's happening with your extended family. It won't replace phone calls, but if you have a really large family, it's often hard to update everyone regularly. With this way, they can follow along to your stories and get updates as they happen. HistoryBox also gives us a way to connect with those who are no longer with us. Before my mum passed, she was unable to use her voice and had to communicate using an app on an iPad. Luckily, that app saved all of the things that she typed, so even after she was gone, I could go back and replay conversations that I'd had with her. It wasn't her voice, but it still felt like it. With Legacy Mode, when the box is opened, instead of recording a story, it'll play a random story that the storyteller has previously recorded. This gives you the chance to leave behind something for your children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, a way to connect with you, hear your voice, hear your stories. And since it's something that can be passed down through your family, it's possible that your great-great-great-grandchildren will be able to do school projects about your life. I've already built some working box prototypes, and the web software is ready to use. When the Kickstarter completes, everyone that's pledged at a HistoryBox level will get an access code to go onto the web interface, and you can use the virtual box to start recording your stories while you wait for the physical box to arrive. Thank you so much for checking out the HistoryBox Kickstarter. I am so excited to get this project live, and I hope that this video has helped make you more excited too. If you know anyone that might be interested in it besides yourself, I'd really appreciate it if you could share this page with them. Thank you.